Hello and welcome back to Emily and Dog's Baking Show. My name is Emily and today we are going to be making cranberry coffee cake. This is a family favorite recipe. So what you need is, for the streusel topping, you need 8 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 1/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups, and then for the actual cake you need 1 1/4 cups of sour cream, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of cranberries, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. So the cranberries are in the water to thaw them out. I'm using frozen cranberries. You can also use dried cranberries, and you also have to put them in water so that they aren't dried out anymore. So first you preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So next you are going to make the topping for the coffee cake. So you put the butter with the sugar and the flour, and then I need another fork. Hold on. And then you can take 2 forks and combine the flour with the butter and the sugar. So I started using my hands because it's harder to use the forks because the butter gets stuck in between these things. I forgot what they're called. So I started using my hand, and you'll know that you're done mixing it when if you scrunch it together, it sticks together. So this is done. And then you set it to the side. Why are you looking in the air? What is wrong with you? Okay, there's something wrong with him. He's looking in the air. Okay, so after you finish the streusel topping, you need to butter a pan. This pan is 13 by 9 inches. So you're just gonna take a stick of butter and rub it around the edges of the pan. You should be able to see a layer of butter on the pan when it's done. So next thing you're going to do is take the sour cream . So next thing you're going to do is take the sour cream and put it in the bowl. With the baking soda and the salt. After that's mixed together, you're going to put it to the side and get a new bowl. Okay.
You're so cute, buddy.
Next thing you're going to, wait, where is it? Oh, yeah. Okay, so next thing you're gonna do is mix, that's frozen, or not frozen, but it's okay. Next thing you're gonna do is mix the butter, that looks disgusting, with the sugar and well, the eggs are supposed to be lightly beaten, so with the eggs. Once that's all combined, you're gonna add the flour and the baking powder and mix it. Once that's combined, you're gonna add the sour cream mixture from before. And once that's well combined, you're going to drain the cranberries. You want to try and get them distributed evenly so that you have them when you eat it. So I'm going to add a little bit of Pam to the pan just to make sure that it doesn't stick. And I'm going to spread it around a little bit with the paper towel. What's he doing? Okay. So next I'm going to add the batter to the pan. I'm going to drop it. Okay. This is going to look weird. I'm gonna drop it. I feel like a dinosaur. And then spread it with this spatula so that it's completely covering the bottom of the pan. Finally, you're gonna add the streusel on top as like a topping, and try to get it all over the coffee cake. After you have the streusel evenly coating the coffee cake, you're going to put it in the oven. Oh shoot, the rack is in there again. So you're going to put the coffee cake in the oven. It's gonna bake for 40 to 45 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean when you poke it. It looks kind of weird. Well, it might be ready. It's kind of brown around the edges, that's why I thought it was ready. But let's see. Toothpick. Oven. Okay. So I took the coffee cake out of the oven and now I'm going to check it. Oh, it's ready. Just check it in a few different spots to make sure it's cooked in all places. So normally you should let this cook, or not cook, sorry, cool down for at least like 20 minutes, but for the purposes of this video, we're gonna wait like 10. Did I hate you? Okay. So I'm gonna cut the coffee cake now. Okay, it's cut. Now we take out a piece. Please hold to grab a plate. What piece do you want? I'll give you a small piece. Wait, why did I just get another knife? That was dumb. I meant to get a fork, I think. Well, you know, this is like a tiny piece. Should we demonstrate with the bigger one? Yeah, we're gonna get a bigger piece because that looks like very bad. You can go over there. Okay. Let me go while I get another plate. Okay, we'll take this piece. Very nice, okay. Oh no. It's sticking a little bit hot. Okay, this looks a little better. Okay. Now I'm gonna have my brother Christopher come and try the coffee cake.
Hello! It is my job to try this. So, that is what I will do today.
It's a cupcake.
Mmm, very delicious.
I hope you enjoyed. That sounded country. Hold on. I hope you stop looking at me like that. I hope you enjoyed the cranberry coffee cake recipe. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and comment down below a video idea or like a recipe to try for the next video. Thank you for watching and